this dish is. Greetings and welcome to Miami Kitchen 74. I'm inviting you in my kitchen today because today I'm going to prepare full dinner. I'm going to make rice and red beans, which that type of rice, I think in Caribbean they always call it rice and peas, but with us we call rice and beans. So I'll also prepare some steak with peppers. So join me in my kitchen so that you can watch everything, the whole process of making these two dishes. You are all welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Please watch this video in full until the end if you want to learn more. And also continue to support this channel as much as you can. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel, like videos, comment and share to others so that also others can see and come and subscribe so that we can grow and continue doing whatever we are doing. Guys, here is the whole process. This is the steak. Now, what I'll do now, I'm going to start chopping the garlic and onions. Watch this vlog with me. Guys, I'll use this garlic. I'll leave a bit, some of it, yeah, because first thing I'll do, I'll marinate my steak while I'm also doing other things. So here I've got bay leaf, thyme, pimento powder. I've got ground nutmeg. I'm not gonna use a lot. Paprika and Raja hot curry. I'm gonna put some. I'm not putting everything of the bay leaf. I'm gonna use some of the bay leaf in there when I'm preparing rice. Yeah. So this is what I'm gonna do. I've got this hot and spicy marinade. I'll make my steak a bit spicy. This is very spicy. I'll add a bit of browning, not much. I don't want a lot. That's enough. I'll add a bit of oyster sauce. Not much of oyster sauce. I don't have soy sauce, guys, but it's fine. Anything will do. Maybe I've got it somewhere. Let's see. Now that's oyster sauce. I'll add a bit of black pepper. I like using the black peppercorns. Where are you watching me from? Let me know where you're watching me from. I'll I'll mix everything. Mix everything. Then I'll leave it aside, but not now anyway. I'll skip one those process. Sorry guys, I just got this oil. This is olive oil. I'll add a bit of olive oil there before marinating. This is steak, guys. This is how I cut it. You can cut it any shape you want, but me, this is how I cut it. Now I'll leave it aside. Guys, as you can see, I've got my red beans here. I did use my cooker to cook them because I didn't want to cook them while I'm doing this vlog. I soaked them in water last night and I added garlic and thyme the time I was soaking them. So, it smells really nice. I'm not using everything because I'm not making a lot of rice. So I still have some here left. You see, this is how they have to be cooked. Don't overcook them, because if you overcook them, they turn into porridge. So let's turn on. This is our what? I'll add the bay leaf there, guys. Let's just watch what I'll do. I'll add a bit of oil. I didn't add oil, but I added salt. Add a bit of oil. Some people can use butter, but I don't really want to use butter, so I added olive oil. The onions. This onion is gonna be used for the beef. So I'll add a bit of nutmeg. That's ground nutmeg. Then I'll add a bit of pimento. I've got whole, but I'm gonna use the powder one. It doesn't matter, you can use anything you want. I love basmati rice. That's basmati rice. I don't know. Drop a comment. What rice do you like using when you're buying? Let me know. Tell me the name of the rice you use. The time I was in Kenya, I was using different type of rice which I've never used before. Guys, I'm gonna add the rice. Remember, there's beans there, but I'm using the water from the beans because I love when the color turns golden. You see, this is how it is. So that is it. Let's steam it until it's done, guys. So when the water goes down, I'll add some coconut milk. While the rice is cooking, I'll start preparing my steak. Enjoy. That's our steak, well marinated. Drink the oil. add a bit of coconut milk in our rice. Coconut milk adds nice flavors to the dishes, even rice. So I've used, see, that's our rice, still cooking until it's done. Now I'm gonna cut this pepper. I'm not using a lot. I thought I've got green pepper, but unfortunately I don't have green pepper. We've got our spring onions here. Let's cut the edges. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. A bit of salt. This is our steak. This is spring onion, mixed peppers there, yellow, orange and red, and red onions there. You can see. I use the same oil to fry all these separately, but I'll start with onions first. I don't want to overcook, and I'll add everything. Sometimes I want my peppers, onions to be a bit crunchy. See, I added the spring onion just to add more colors because I didn't have green pepper. Guys, what do you think about my recipe? My rice and beans recipe, as you can see here. Then my steak recipe. Are you planning to try to prepare this for your loved ones, or else you're scared? Guys, don't be scared, because this is the easiest. Both of them, they are easiest. The rice and beans is one of the best. The flavors of the seasoning, how it blends with the coconut milk, guys. You'll be cooking this dish every day for your family. So I'll add the meat. You will not even regret if you want to try this recipe. These two recipes. That's what I have to say. You see? This is our steak, guys. Oh God, I've been a bit messy, guys. Guys, as far as I'm concerned, this dish is ready. Our steak is ready. Then now, let's check our rice. Our rice also is well cooked and ready. Wow, the flavors, guys, it's just something. Everything is ready here. This is steak and in peppers, mixed peppers, and this is our rice and beans. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate. This is the aftermath of my dish. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you, thank you. God bless you. Continue to watch my other videos and also support this channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Continue to support me. Thank you for your love. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.